Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the camera replacement process on your HP15 laptop, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure to work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any small components. First, power down your laptop completely and unplug it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there is no residual power in the device. Now, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use your plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the casing. After removing the back panel, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the camera module, which is typically positioned near the top of the device. It is connected to the motherboard with a small ribbon cable. Carefully disconnect this ribbon cable using your tweezers. If you don't have the tools to do this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home to make this process easier. Now, remove any screws securing the camera module in place. Once these screws are removed, gently lift the camera out of its housing. Take a moment to clean the area around the camera with a soft, dry cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Next, take your new camera module and place it into the housing. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the ribbon cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. If you require assistance, we provide professional diagnosis without obligation to help you determine if this replacement is necessary. After the new camera is securely installed, it's time to replace the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear it click into place. Then, use your Phillips head screwdriver to reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened properly. Now, flip the laptop back over and plug it in. Power on the device and check the camera functionality. Open your preferred video conferencing software or camera application to ensure the new camera is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. We offer a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs involved up front. In conclusion, replacing the camera on your HP15 laptop is a manageable task with the right tools and guidance. Remember to take your time and follow each step carefully. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, consider our services for a more convenient solution. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.